Welcome, my pack. We're diving deep into the crypto den today, sniffing out the freshest updates and howls from the blockchain realm. Ready for some news? Let's dive in. Miners' Bitcoin reserves have plummeted to their lowest levels in over 14 years, dropping to a lean 1.90 million BTC as of June 19th. This is down from 1.95 million BTC at the year's dawn, signaling a tightening belt for our mining wolves. This scarcity is sharpening since the last halving on April 20th, 2024, where mining rewards were sliced in half from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC. A new oasis in the Bitcoin savannah may be coming to El Salvador. The proposal to create a private investment bank for Bitcoin is a revolutionary howl that could offer financial services without the usual limits of traditional banking. Imagine a safe haven where Bitcoin investors walk around freely with services customized to their needs in both dollars and BTC. The ambassador to the U.S. hinted at this promising prospect aimed at diversifying financing options and enhancing the economic landscape. Now, shifting our gaze to stablecoins, predicted to be the next big alpha in the global monetary ecosystem. Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire predicts that stablecoins will reach 10% of global economic money in the next decade or more. By 2025, these digital denizens could take an even bigger chunk of the $100 trillion e-money market. With their growing acceptance as a stable and trusted form of digital currency, the potential for exponential growth is huge. So get ready, wolves. Stablecoins are getting ready to lead the global financial pack. Finally, a crucial warning from the security frontier. Dilation effect has raised the alarm about crypto scams targeting our mobile dens. Their advice? Power down those phones weekly to fend off potential attacks. Whether it's text messages or browser-based breaches, a simple restart can force malicious code to flee, giving you a clean slate. It's a small step that could keep your crypto cash safe from prowling predators. And that wraps up today's adventures in the crypto wild. Remember, wolves, the pack that howls together stays together. Keep those ears perked for the next updates. And until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel, keep howling at the moon, and let Alpha Ton connect you and your fellow wolves.